Hey guys, connecting a Mastercard gift card to your Apple Wallet is super easy, and today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So first, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple device. Then, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your Mastercard gift card. You may need to manually enter the card number or scan the card using your camera. But keep in mind, not all gift cards are supported by Apple Wallet. If your Mastercard gift card isn't accepted, you may not be able to add it directly. If you have multiple cards in your Apple Wallet, you can set a default card for payments. This card will be used automatically unless you choose another during checkout. When making a purchase in store or online with Apple Pay, you'll need to authorize the payment using Touch ID, Face ID, or your device passcode. For in-store purchases, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader to complete the transactions. And that's it. That's how you can add a Mastercard gift card to Apple Wallet and use it with Apple Pay. Thanks for watching.